Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting the volume on the JLab Go Work headset? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Increase volume. Press the volume up button once to increase the volume. Step 2. Decrease volume. Press and hold the volume down button for 2 or more seconds to decrease the volume. Step 3. Power on headset. Ensure the headset is powered on by pressing and holding the power button for 2 or more seconds if necessary. Step 4. Adjust for clarity. Adjust the volume to a comfortable level using the volume up and down buttons for best clarity. Step 5. Triple press to hear. If on a call and you want to hear yourself, triple press the designated button. Step 6. Avoid extreme conditions. To maintain headset performance, avoid extreme conditions like moisture, heat, or cold. By following these steps, you should now be able to adjust the volume on your JLab Go Work headset effectively. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other JLab users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.